Hey, hope everyone's having a great day. Today's video is staying fit and having a cheat meal. So I'm going to show you what I had to eat today. And in this video, I have some clips from a recent workout when I was at the gym. But this video is about what I eat. It's not always perfect. So this is a great example. One of my meals was not exactly ideal, but that's okay because sometimes I like to splurge a little bit, so this is just a great example. And I like to remind everyone it's what we do most of the time that matters, so it's not always about perfection. And if you're doing the right thing 80 to 90% of the time, you can still have great results with your health and fitness. So on this day, I fasted till about 1 p.m., which is usual for me. I fast throughout the morning on water, and I had a nice acai bowl. It had blueberries, strawberries, bananas with a couple of extra bananas added on. And that was at 1 p.m. And then at about 3:30, I made a big salad. It had greens, cucumber, avocado, apple, and I put a little bit of this sesame ginger dressing on top. So a nice big green salad. Then about an hour or so after that, I had a sumo citrus and a serving of these seasoned almonds. And I waited about 10 minutes after having the sumo citrus before having the almonds, so I didn't want to eat them directly together. And at 6 p.m. I had my cheat meal. It was about half of this vegetarian pizza. I don't have pizza too often, but this was quite good, so I enjoyed it. Then about an hour after that, I had dessert. I had some Tropical Gold pineapple and some of this dark chocolate. It's organic dark chocolate sweetened with dates, about 75% cacao. It was really good. And that was it. So thanks for watching. Make sure you check out my plant-based recipe ebook I have in the description box with some great recipes. Give me a thumbs up or thumbs down. Subscribe for more videos. Leave me a comment. Let me know your thoughts. Hope everyone has a great day, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.